Hello, I'm Wave. We will learn about glitching effect in Adobe Photoshop. In this video, we will learn how to make the glitching text. First step, write your sample text and its color must be white. Second step, convert text into rasterized object and make sliced effect randomly in straight line. Third step, duplicate into 3 layers separately and shift horizontally 1 layer at a time. And final step, the 3 color channels may have been separated 1 layer at a time. This forms into glitch effect. Isn't it too easy? You know, glitch is the cause of malfunctioning in a system. You can see the animated glitch can be any form, each layer by layer makes stroboscopic effect randomly. You can see the video being glitched out in any form, like there is a TV signal interruption due to rains or dense clouds. This is what you can simulate the following effect. Other ones in VHS tapes can do the glitched form slightly a bit. The following effect is suitable for Premiere Pro and After Effects respectively. Similarly, you can make glitched audio effect as well. Here's the demo.
Hello, this is glitch test. I am while speaking.
Sounds strange, wasn't it? This one is not in rhythm. Glitch can sometimes be the remix ones rhythmically.
Hello, this is a glitch test. I this while speaking.
You can find out more glitch effects for image, color, and audio and video distortion. So, this video is about glitch text in Adobe Photoshop. Like, comment, and subscribe now.